How to book a hotel on Agoda. First of all, open the app on your device and search for hotels by entering your destination, check-in and check-out dates, and number of guests and rooms. Once the list of hotel appears, you can filter or sort results by price, star rating, guest reviews, location, or amenities to find the best option for your stay. Tap on any hotel to view its details, including room option, photos, cancellation policy, and special offers. After choosing the hotel and room you want, tap Book Now. Select your preferred room type and review the total price, including taxes and fees. Then select your payment method and enter the required information to complete the booking. Once your booking is confirmed, Agoda will send a confirmation email with all your reservation details. Booking through Agoda ensures a secure and smooth experience, giving you access to exclusive deals, discount, and Agoda rewards for future stays. Now you know how to book a hotel on Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.